It's Clark's Custom Concrete, and it's been a while since we've done one, but we're back with another one for you guys. Oh, Daryl come over here and set it yesterday.
A little wet.
Tore it out.
Right there.
She's a little wet right here, you guys. We're still waiting to broom this, getting on it to dry. These guys are up there brooming and whatnot. Daryl and JoJo up there getting it down on the farm. Look how straight them down the farms is, boy. If y'all need any concrete, give us a shout. Clark's Custom Concrete, 931-201-0079. And this is the number for you guys. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and get us out there. We'll cut you a deal. Show you guys a little bit of what we've done so far. Head wall.
Bring that down here too when you get done. Hey Joey, there's a spot right here. Look, I need to bring that in a little better. I may bring you a little water if it needs. She comes through these two little holes right here. Says something about it.
Yeah, it took a pretty broom. Thing about Smyrna, they
What you
got
need,
some
Daddy? A water bottle with some water in it or something?
That's a good little job right here, wasn't it?
See, the bigger job is easier.
Here,
Smaller
huh?
jobs are hard.
Talking about ready good there? Yeah, where you can see the rock, Joey. If you need to, I throw you some water on a brush over there on it.
No $100.
Hey, I need a joiner and a hand.
So wait and say everything's all right. Always all good. It's always all good.
I know, you'll have to try to get the roses off that the best you can, at least the worst part of it.